Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text border white in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then select the text and go to the edit option. Then select the text and go to the border white. Now I am increase the border white. Again select the text. Now I am decrease. Select the 1px in border white. You can choose anywhere. You can choose 2px, 3px, 4px, 8px. Now I am choose 4px. Then click save and close. Now here you can see change text border white in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.